Hey everyone, my name is Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you pretty much how I got this really pretty half up, half down hairstyle. What I love about this hair is because it is, one, it's synthetic hair. Two, the hairstyle probably cost me $45, which is like unheard of. Well, in the hair community, this hairstyle could have easily cost you anywhere up to $150. So I was able to do it myself, and that is why I'm here to encourage anyone who is just low on cash and just wants to be able to do their hair themselves without having to break the bank. We're not going to spend too much time because this video is going to be very quick, short, and to the point. If you have not already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family, and we're going to jump straight into the video. All right, so this is the hair that we are using. So this is the Bobbi Boss hair. It's clip-on. You get 7 pieces, and the curl pattern is just basically beach curl. I got a number 4 in this. Of course, you get, it's just basically 18 inches. And then I also matched it with the quick pony hair. So this is in the style Nika. It is also just a plain number 4. So I tried to match the curl pattern as best as I could. I have already braided my hair down and sewn this part. I am not a professional braider, so I did the best that I could. It is what it is. And then I am just going to do the drawstring ponytail up top. So we're going to start off and just go ahead and put these clip-ins in. So the hair itself is really pretty. Now again, this hair is synthetic, so at the end of the day, it's probably going to be best to preserve them by taking it out at night. The price of this was $29, and then the ponytail itself was $12. I'm just gonna start off by popping these. Now, when I lay my clip-ins, I always do the longest track first, and then you just kind of build towards the top. And then I am just going to take this and lay it down. Now, because I have this braided, I'm just gonna clip this down into my hair and snap. And then I can clip it. I can clip it on the braid, honestly, but you guys can see this. Like, I'm just gonna lay this on the braid and snap. And then same with this, I'm gonna lay this in between and snap. So I have pretty much clipped down the first part. All right, so I'm gonna go in with the next weft. Now, this very first one, they tell you how long this is. This first one was 9.5 inches. This next one is 7.5 inches. So this hairstyle is not going to take long at all. And I feel like, you know, it's cheaper than going to get your hair done by a professional. All right, so this is what it's looking like. And then I probably just will use 2 more for right up here. So I'm gonna do the 4.5 and then the 3.5. So it's very quick and easy to do. So next what we're gonna do is I'm going to take my natural hair. I'm going to take some gel, and this is, it was edge control to me, but apparently it's a hair wax. I'm gonna pull my hair up into a ponytail. And I washed and blow dried my hair yesterday, so it's kind of best to start on clean hair. Now, if you're not familiar with me, I do suffer from traction alopecia. Over here, my sides can get extremely thin and they have not grown back. Sometimes if I put hair in my head and it's too much tension, my hair will go bald in the center. And I have dealt with this for many years, so it's nothing that I'm going to be embarrassed about. But I just thought that I would share that with you guys. So you're gonna see me pull that up. I'm gonna get a little bit of the edge control. It is red, but it is what it is. So I'm just gonna put that on the front of my edges, just so that it's more sleek. And I don't keep my hair in ponytails. I don't sleep with it. Sometimes I do take them out just to give my head a relief. All right. Brush this forward because we want the ponytail to sit a little high. And then I never use rubber bands. I always use these little black things because rubber bands just will pop your hair. They're not good for your hair at all. Now this ponytail is not so tight to where, you know, it's too much tension on my head. But I'm just gonna take this and twist it into like a little bun. All right, so this is the quick pony hair. And the brand is called Outre. It just said quick pony, but whatever. You guys get it. I'll link it if I can find it. I'll link it. Because I didn't purchase this hair online. I got it from the hair store. So this is pretty much what it looks like. Now we are going to cut this, no doubt. All right, so I'm just gonna, this is what it looks like on the inside. You get the two combs, and then when you put this, when you put this over your ponytail, you pull the string and basically it will tighten it. So this is what it's going to give. And then you want to make sure that you definitely get the combs secure, and then you just pull. And then you want to make sure that you bobby pin that string so you don't have any issues with that. So what I want to do, like I said, I want to cut this hair, this ponytail. I want to cut it because this is too long. So I am going to take about, let's see, let's cut right here. I can deal with that. I'm also going to take about this much hair from the front, and we're going to wrap this underneath just to elevate the ponytail a little bit. You see how it lifts it up some, and then we're gonna make sure that we bobby pin that so it doesn't go anywhere. If you want to go back in and kind of cut the hair some more, you can. I don't necessarily want to. I don't see the need. I feel like I like kind of where it's at. Also, I wanted to show you guys, like I told you, I do suffer from traction alopecia. So I typically use, if I'm not using the Topic spray to make my edges a little bit thicker, I do use the Topic fibers. And I don't want it to have like that too dark look where it's like super noticeable. But you can see like I sprayed a little bit on this side, and I'll take my edge brush and kind of comb through it. It'll diffuse how harsh the spray actually comes out and break it up. And then I'll do some on this side since I already showed you. So. And then I don't really mind the front so much, but yeah, that's it. Anyway, so that's basically it, guys. I'm gonna do my makeup and you guys will see the overall, just basically finished look that I was going for. So that is it. That is all. It was so easy to do this hairstyle. And of course, like I said in a video, you can take these out at night as well as this top part and redo it in the morning. That way you are able to preserve the hair and it not get matted, because you know, synthetic hair is only gonna last you as long as you take care of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family. And I will see you in my next video. Okay? I'm going to go enjoy this hairstyle because, like, I look good. I got to show the world. So, bye.
Got a lot of style, got a lot of Tiffany on me. I gotta fan myself out. I gotta fan myself.